What is on my crypto legends? Let me know when you are coming in and let me know if you can hear me. Hello, hello, hello. Hello guys, let me know if you can hear me. Yo, what's up Archie? How are you? Axid Burn, hello, how are you doing? I'm doing great. I mean, we are having a little bit of a bounce, like I did mention on the video. It looks like we have been breaking a little bit of resistance. Massive bullish divergence here on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, also for Ethereum. Ethereum's getting a massive bounce if we go to the 1-hourly chart. So yeah, guys, we're hitting major resistance, like I mentioned in the video. 2,400, we were looking at this descending wedge just breaking out when I did the video, and I did mention that we were going to hit some major resistance at the $2,400 levels. We are getting a little rejection now, but we might be forming a great pattern. Great TA, thank you guys. How are you doing? Best TA on YouTube. Thank you, Fox. Well, I just do simple technical analysis, you know, just a couple of patterns, a couple of indicators, and try and be as more realistic. I am a Bitcoin bull, so it's very hard to be bearish for me. I'm always, you know, trying to look for bullish patterns, which is a mistake. I should always, you know, also look at bearish patterns. But thank you very much, Fox. H, yes, it is okay. Thank you. So the sound is good. A little bit of music is all right. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing, Rajesh. I'm doing good. Great TA. Hi, mate. Hi, H. How are you doing? Luganda, if we break that resistance box, are you feeling bullish? Absolutely. For Ethereum. Look at, well, this is what we got for Ethereum. If you watched my last video, we got the descending wedge. We did not break with a huge amount of volume, okay? We are hitting a bit of overbought territory here on the RSI, but massive bullish divergence, so that's why we've had this nice bounce. But as you can see, this major resistance, okay, we are hitting it right now. We might have a little pullback here and then come back up, and we'll be creating an inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. This is a possibility also, guys. Then this will give strength, okay, to the bulls. We can see we'll be forming, you know, these higher lows right over here, creating the right shoulder, and then we could look for a blast off here at the $2,400. Even though we break now, then it is still going to be looking bullish. I am looking for 2,900 Ethereum. Okay, guys. So yeah. Archie, waiting for retracement, then huge long. Also, it'll be okay. I do think, in my opinion, 1,750 here, where we wicked yesterday, is the bottom for Ethereum. We might have a tiny one, another wick coming to the upside. There might be a lot of long leverage trades here thinking this is the bottom, but this is like the accumulation phase. This is like the distributions phase from Wyckoff, okay? If we check out Bitcoin here, you know, many people thinking here that this was at the top. We always have the last wick to the upside. Look at the highs here, how they break, you know. We always have the last wick. This is to get leverage traders out of the market, okay? The last wick to the upside, the last wick to the upside before having the massive correction. So I do think that 1,750 was the bottom for Ethereum. This is my opinion, obviously, guys. But who knows, we might have the last wick. It is the same here. A lot of people, you know, thinking, look at this massive wick and buying pressure. You get this movement. A lot of people entering long trades over here, thinking that this is the bottom. We have this massive wick, you know, getting over leveraged traders out of the market, guys. So who knows? But this is looking very bullish. I will show you something similar here on the Bitcoin chart. Okay, that we're forming this descending wedge. We might be forming an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. This happened for Bitcoin also. Okay, if we check out the Bitcoin price right over here, you know, this is something that happened also. This is a very bullish setup. Okay, we have the descending wedge. Sorry, this is Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart at the end of February. Descending wedge, inverse shoulder, head and shoulder, break the major resistance, and then we off to the races. Okay, this scenario right here, guys, can be happening right over here. Descending wedge. Okay, if you get the point, we got the descending wedge right over here. Okay, we got the shoulder, head, and now we might be creating the right shoulder, and then it's off to the races. Okay, the major resistance is the 2,400 for Ethereum. We break this resistance, we could have a decent pump, in my opinion, guys. So we've got the bullish divergence supporting us. So yeah, guys, very interesting days for Ethereum and Bitcoin. BTC is breaking up. I think it will be rejected. Yeah, BTC, let's check out BTC. Let me just get this out of the way. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 1-hourly chart and check. Yeah, exactly. We are getting a rejection here because we've got massive resistance. This is also mentioned on the video. If I'm not wrong, we got this consolidation at the $38,200 area. Whoops. Let me just move this over here where the resistance is. Yeah, this is the $38,200 range right over here. We've got massive resistance, okay, and also it's been support right over here. And this orange box, if I go to the 4-hourly chart and I zoom out, I want you to see that here in January, it was also major resistance, the $38,500 range, okay. This is the orange box that I have now here. As you can see, look, major resistance, and it did act as support once we broke it. Okay, so this is where we currently at. We are getting rejection at this point. So if we break the $38,200 range approximately, it is going to be looking very, very bullish for Ethereum. We could have a leg up to 42,000, 42,500. In between that range. This is where my next resistance is. This is where Bitcoin has been struggling the most. Okay, here as resistance and got really nice support here, 3 bounces. So if we break the $38,200 range, 38,500, okay, approximately, it's plus a couple of hundred, plus minus a couple of hundred, because there's a lot of volatility, obviously. But yeah, if we break the 38,500, I think we will have a nice leg up to 42,500. This is it looks like a very bullish setup. Okay, guys, this is my opinion, obviously. And yeah, we could also see this scenario for Bitcoin getting rejection from this resistance point, potentially creating an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. But anyway, the bearish scenario would be coming all the way down, you know, breaking back this support level at the $34,000. Like I showed you in my last video on the 1-hourly chart, we can see that yeah, we closed above the 34,000, got support, we broke down, wicked to the $31,000, and then back up again, guys. But it is looking bullish. Okay, the chart is, you know, you can see that the bears are losing steam, guys. Guys, remember, if you are interested in trading, okay, we've got the last day for this amazing bonus for Phoenix, okay, $2,000 and $2,200 if you use my link in the description, okay, or it's on the pinned comment in the comment section. The last day, guys, for this amazing bonus. Right, let me check out what else who's joining in the comment section. Good day from down under. Monday Green, Eugen Solomon, are we bullish on BTC? I have always been bullish on BTC, but yes, if you're referring to the short term, mid short term, yes, I mean, it looks like that the bears are losing steam, as you can see here on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, we have the low here, the 30,000 major support. Okay, like I showed you also on the VPVR. If we zoom out here on the 4 hourly chart for Bitcoin, we can see we also got massive support in the past here in January. Okay, the $30,000. Let me just get this out of the way. The $30,000 acted as major support, as you can see right over here. We did get another wick down here. This is the beginning of January all the way till the end of January. Finally creating, you know, double bottom, triple bottom, and then off to the races, guys. So 30,000 hasn't been broken since we broke above it. Okay, as you can see right over here. Look how many bounces we got here from 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then up. So this might hold, guys. The $30,000 maybe was the bottom. It's in really massive support. So yeah, guys, if we just wicked below the 30,000 when we had the massive drop at 29,950 approximately. So yeah, it's looking bullish in my opinion, if you ask me. Looking to do a bullish setup here. I think we might get a rejection from here and then create a round bottom. Maybe a little bit lower if we do not break from here already, guys. If we break 38,500, yeah, we can expect a 42,500 Bitcoin, at least 42,000. If we break 38,500, yeah. Luke Gander, how are you doing? Irfan, hey Andy, what are your thoughts about ADA? Any trades incoming? Well, I haven't been doing any trades on ADA. I haven't been looking at the charts for ADA for a long time. The chart that I'm looking at for the moment is Bitcoin Cash, believe it or not. And I've got a trade on Bitcoin Cash where it's doing extremely well. I want to show you also, I'll just wait for a couple of minutes. I'll go through the comment section first. You know, a very interesting pattern that has happened for Ethereum and might be happening for Bitcoin Cash. Remember, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and other cryptos haven't broken their old all-time high, guys. So just because of that reason, I do not think that we are in a bear market, okay? They are OGs, they are OG cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin are still going to be here in the next coming years. So I'm expecting that we are just in the middle of the bull run. We've had the massive shakeout, okay, that is always at the beginning of a bull run. You get a massive sell-off, so people, you know, get freaked out. And in my opinion is that, you know, we're going to start pumping from here. Potentially the bottom is in, okay? Let's take a look at ADA because someone wanted to look at ADA here in the comment section. This is Irfan. ADA US dollar. ADA US dollar. Right, let me bring you over here. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart for ADA. You know, I've still got the indicators that I used the last couple of weeks. If you're an old subscriber, you know I entered a trade at 155 and I exited at 205. And well, it looks like ADA wants to get above the resistance of 150, okay? 150 has been major resistance in the past, as you can see. So as long as once we get above nicely here from this resistance, then it is going to be looking bullish for ADA. We'll be probably checking out ADA in one of my videos. I'll be doing some technical analysis and I might get a video or two out this week. Okay, so you can, you know, I'll give you my opinion and see what's happening for ADA. But I do think that this needs to stay above. We're barely above the 145 at the moment. It is about the major resistance and support. Okay, as you can see, we broke out nicely here, had a massive bounce. Then we had this, you know, the crash coming, which was unpredictable. This crash was unpredictable in my opinion. So yeah, we'll wait for a couple of days here for ADA. I will be getting some videos out for ADA to see if we can find any bullish setups, guys. Remember, ADA can be traded on Femex, guys. If you want to support the channel and you want to get an amazing bonus, make sure to take advantage. Only 1 day left, okay, here for Femex. And ADA can be traded here on Femex, guys. If you need any help, let me know in the comment section, okay? Right. Let's take a look at the comments. Archie, makes sense. Thanks, man. You're welcome. Luke, I didn't buy the dip because I wanted to have more capital to buy in case of a further capitulation. Expect I did grab some ADA at 110. Well, I think that was a great buy, Luke. And the problem is, if you are a hodler or a trader, if you are a hodler, it doesn't matter where you buy in when there is dips. There's a lot of people that have missed out, okay, in 2019 and 2020 because they had this massive dip, or the coronavirus. Everybody think this is the start of a massive bear market, and it was just those couple of days of fear. There was a huge capitulation phase. And then I had many friends saying, I'm going to wait till it dips a bit more. I think we are entering a bear market for several months now. I think it will dip lower. And no, guys, it was just this massive red candle. We can actually see it here on the Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the 1 day chart here for Bitcoin. Whoops. Actually, this is Bybit. We'll have to go to BTC USD here on Bitstamp. But I obviously bought that massive coronavirus dip because I'm also a hodler apart from a trader. We had this massive crash, okay, this huge candle on the daily chart. This was the virus dip, and you have a lot of people thinking over here, we are going to go lower. I am going to get Bitcoin at $2,000. I think we'll be having, we'll be creating a bear flag right over here, and we'll be going to lower levels. And a lot of people, waiting for this. You might have thought that we are creating a type of wedge here or something, and then we're going to have the next leg down. And you just, before you know it, Bitcoin was trading above $8,000 when you could have got it at, 5,000, almost, 50%, a 40% discount. And you're just waiting for that dip. You're just waiting for that dip to come. And look at this huge capitulation phase. This was over 60%. We've had a 55% capitulation in the bull market, supposedly. In the middle of a bull market. So it is probably the best opportunity right now. You're already losing it because maybe 30,000 was the bottom, guys. I mean, not financial advice, and I do believe it is the bottom, but it might not be. We might be entering a bear market. But look, 63% correction. Okay, so you might think we are entering a bear market, but look what happened afterwards. Absolute moonshot. Okay, so now what are you going to expect? A bear market after this capitulation phase? Over 50% correction. This right here might be something like this. Okay, and obviously if we go back here, just by looking at that data from the last bull market, we can see it could perfectly be. We could perfectly be somewhere around this stage. We had massive 2 sell-offs here of about 40%. So yeah, 40%. It is very volatile. Remember that there are professionals in this market and big players, and they want to scare you out of the market. Okay. I do not think we are entering a bear market, in my opinion, or something like this, guys. This was a massive sell-off. Obviously, there wasn't that much liquidity, but massive sell-off here and sideways, and then pump to the upside. So anyway, I think that the bottom maybe is already in at $30,000. This is my opinion. Yes, we could go lower. We might go to $25,000. Who knows? But anyway, that's my opinion, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, guys, on your way in. Smash up the like button. 74 viewers at the moment. Right, what's your Archie, what's your price target for this bull cycle? Well, over 100,000. I'm in between 100 and 150,000. I was a little bit more bullish, but I want to be a little bit more realistic. Okay, a realistic target is 120 approximately, in my opinion. All depending as well, guys, on what's going to happen to the dollar, because I'm paying close attention to the dollar index also. This is the dollar index. This is one of my favorite charts that I am going to be watching in the bull run, okay, in the Bitcoin bull run. I'm expecting the dollar index in the next coming months having a massive drop. This is the dollar value. And I've seen this huge leg up into this diamond reversal pattern, and the target for this diamond reversal pattern is coming all the way down here. So if we have this massive drop in the next coming months, this is going to be huge for Bitcoin, guys. Huge for Bitcoin. Because the 2017 bull run, guess where it was here on the dollar index? Looking at the dollar index chart. Right over here. The start of the bull run, 2017, late 2016. This drop over here was the entire 2017 bull run for Bitcoin. So if we have this drop over here for the continuation of the bull run, well, yeah, guess what? We're definitely going above $100,000, in my opinion. End of year, beginning of 2022, dollar index will help, okay? And there's this massive support over here. Resistance, support, and we are retesting it now a few times. It is looking for a breakout. Once we break this level, which is at the 88 here for the dollar index, yeah, guys, fireworks for Bitcoin. Right. What about all my? Hang on a second, guys. I'm just gonna go through the comments. Hello, Bart. How are you doing? Raul, is this a bull trap? Well, or a bear trap? Okay, it depends on how you want to see it, guys, because, you know, if we just go here to Google, you know, market cycle, I think we might have it here on a market cycle. Just right over here. If we take a look at this, okay. When it loads up, where do you think we are? Have we had the massive run for Bitcoin? And this is a bull trap like, who is it? I've lost you. Like Raul says in the comment section, this could be a bull trap. We're probably here and we're having the small pump, you know, and everybody thinks, you know, return to normal. We are going to go up from here. Or maybe this is where we are here. The first sell-off before the massive run, guys. If we see stock to flow, if we see the sentiment, if we see the dollar is going to crumble from here, we could perfectly be here, and we'll have not a super cycle, but a massive run to the upside, surpassing $100,000. Okay, so now the discussion is here. Are we in a bull trap because we've had the massive run? We broke all-time highs, $20,000 from 2017. We've gone up all the way to 65K. Okay, we also have the delusion, the greed, you know, we've had the meme coins coming out, a lot of hype. There was a lot of hype the last couple of weeks. I got to recognize this, but we might be seeing a 2013, 2014 scenario where we have a cool off, a massive sell off, everything goes sideways for a little bit. I don't think it is the end of the, you know, the bull run for cryptocurrency. Not in my opinion. What do you guys think? Are we here in a bull trap and we're just having the return to normal pump, or is this a massive sell-off here and getting it? And this is a bear trap, and we're going to have massive pumps in the next coming months. I think this is a bear trap actually instead of a bull trap. This is my opinion. Obviously, we could have a couple of years of sideways action and going to the downside. Don't get me wrong here. You need more subs. Yes, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and mostly Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. I will be doing a lot of live streams so I can read through the comment section, and we'll be checking out your favorite crypto. You know, we'll be having a good time here, chilling out and talking about crypto. What about all my altcoins? Hold or sell? We're all depending on what altcoins have you got. I am very bullish on Chainlink and VeChain. They're one of my biggest holdings. Chainlink is 20% of my portfolio. And Chainlink had a massive drop, over 60%. But I do believe in Chainlink. You know, it's going to have a serious use case. The tokenomics are good. So yeah, I'm bullish on Chainlink. So I guess all depending on what altcoins you have. Be careful because a lot of altcoins, you know, now we might be seeing Bitcoin pumping, breaking 65K in a few months. And a lot of this is a time to see what altcoins are going to survive. Now is the time to see which altcoins have real value. They'll be pumping behind Bitcoin. If we're not entering a bear market, guys, okay? Luke, for real, how you don't have more subscribers? You're great. Thank you, Luke. Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, just patience. I guess. Just got to wait more viewers and wait for the subscribers to come. Eugen Salomon, but we closed below the MA on the weekly. Yes, the 21 weekly, I guess you're referring. What can you say on that? Well, like I showed you on, this is a video that I posted a couple of days back. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on this chart. Let's go with BTC US dollar here on Bitstamp, and let's go to the weekly chart, okay, because I just want to show you 2013. Okay, let me just get these indicators out of the way so we can have a clear chart, and let's get the EMA here, the 21 weekly moving average. Everybody's talking about this. Everybody's talking about this, and guess what? Usually everybody is wrong. So yeah, guys, let's go put this, the 21 weekly. Let's get this a little bit thicker here with this one. Yeah, let's like this. Okay, so yes, this is the 21 weekly moving average. And yes, we closed it below it. Now we're having the relief rally. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of pump. We might get rejected heavily and start a bear market. This is a possibility because if we mirror the 2017 bull market, we held nicely above the 21 weekly moving average, having nice bounces, as you can see here. And then the first time we closed below it, you know, a red candle closed below the 21 weekly. Guess what? We went sideways, had a relief pump, enter the bear market, guys. This was several months, all the way till the end of 2019, and we started pumping then, but we were still in the bear market because we were creating, you know, lower highs, as you can see right here. But let's go to 2013, 2014. Guess what happened in 2013? We closed a weekly candle below the 21 weekly moving average. What happened then? We had, you know, the relief rally, we had a pump, we went sideways, and we had this massive rally, okay, for several months. And this was only 3-4 months, guys. You know, this was from August, September, till the end, till December. So this could perfectly, you know, this actually dipped in July. We are currently at May, entering June. So we could actually, you know, just 1 month. And we did have a rally similar to 2013 now. So we might be several months, you know, till September, going sideways, a little bit to the upside maybe. And then who knows, guys, all depending on what's happening worldwide, what's happening to the dollar, what's happening with the adoption of crypto. There's just a massive FUD now with China, with, you know, the United States also with the tax. Just a coordinated FUD attack on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I want to think that we are mirroring more 2013 and 2014 than 2017. My opinion, obviously, guys, just a huge shakeout, capitulation before continuing the bull run. A lot of new players on in crypto since we broke all-time highs. Okay, January, February, March, everybody thinking they're going to go do 5, 10x, 20x in crypto. Well, no, guys. You know, a lot of sellers here panic selling, thinking that's it, crypto's dead. No, guys, this is just the first massive sell-off before we continue to the upside, in my opinion. Right, let me go through the comments, guys. Adiero, how are you? Andy, good to see you. I leave a like. Thank you, Adiero. Thank you very much. Archie, double down at this dump. Yeah. Glitzy, where did you learn this analysis skill? Any vids you can refer to? Well, I've got technical analysis from the markets book from John Morris. Is it John Morris? I can't remember the name now, but I read it in 2017. It is the Bible of technical analysis. Which one is it here? Is it John Morris? No. John Murphy. Yeah, John Murphy. Technical analysis of John Murphy. It's the Bible of technical analysis. I read this in 2017, but I just, all experience. I've been over 4 years now doing trading and learning trading and doing the stock markets and cryptocurrency in 2018. So just, you know, I'll be doing a basic technical analysis, and I'll be also getting some good videos on how to find patterns on the chart, you know, and basic technical analysis. You know, I'm not going to put too many indicators. Simple and effective analysis. Okay, guys, so make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, because I'm posting every single day. I'll be doing live streams, and yeah, guys, I'll be doing technical analysis every single day on Bitcoin and crypto. And you can ask me in the comment section, you know, any question at all. And if you are experienced, guys, remember to take advantage of this amazing bonus, and you'll be helping out the channel. Okay, guys, up to $2,200 if you use the link in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. Okay, guys. Right, let me go through the comments and see what else can we see. Maybe there's someone who wants me to do some analysis on their favorite crypto. Erfan, thanks, man. Great as always. Thank you very much, Erfan. Mary, how are you doing? Hello. Steve Brookland, you have a Telegram channel? Not yet, but we'll be doing a Telegram channel very, very soon, guys, so you can get you know, analysis, but you can check the Twitter account. Okay, the link is also in the description. Okay, if you scroll down to in the comment section, in the description, sorry, we have a Twitter account, and I'll be posting technical analysis also there. We got articles, so make sure to check to subscribe to the Twitter account. Jorge Rodriguez, ¿qué pasa, Andrés? ¿Cómo estás, Jorge? I got some Spanish also. I'm from Spain, from Mallorca, so I've got some Spanish followers. Luke, I'm still feeling slightly bearish. BC, the same person who called the overnight crash the night beforehand, said he needed to get the price to around 25k to liquidate someone. So yes, this is the inside. A lot of inside news saying, you know, that the price was going to drop to $30,000 and then potentially to $25,000, and then but the bull run was not over. But they wanted to drop the price massively. Insiders, yes, I've read the news on that. Always hodl. Yes, you're right, Luke. Always hodl. How often do you realize profits, Glitzy? And if you do realize them, do you immediately reinvest? With my trading, I usually take profits and I turn it into Bitcoin. This is my strategy. Profits from trading, you know, I will always have USDT or BTC on Bybit or PrimeXbt, guys. And then, you know, the profits that I do, I turn it into Bitcoin, because the main goal here in crypto is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can. Yes, there are amazing projects. Yes, ADA is great. XRP is, I don't like it, but Yes, they're all great, guys, but the end goal, in my opinion, and from what I learned, is to accumulate as much Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has a 10-year track record. It goes on average over 200% every single year. So yeah, guys, end game from your profits is to accumulate Bitcoin. Guys, also PrimeXbt has got a great bonus, okay? If you use my link in the description, if you're an experienced trader, PrimeXbt, you can get 50% in addition of what you deposit. So if you click on the link in the description and use Bitcoin Sensors 50, once you sign up here on PrimeXbt and go to account, you can put Bitcoin Sensors 50 as the promotion code, okay? And you'll be getting this promotion code activated, and then you can deposit, if you deposit $5,000 in Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit for your margin, okay? Obviously, you cannot take this bonus out, but if you deposit $5,000, you'll be getting $2,500 on top of that for your trading margin, of $7,500 in total, which is absolutely great. So the link is in the description if you want to take advantage of that bonus also, guys. Z Snake, hi, how are you doing? Also, you'll be supporting the channel, guys. You know, all of these bonuses also is to support the channel. I am getting a small commission, but it is amazing bonus. I've used all of them, and it's great because it adds to your margin. Why am I? Let's smash the like button. Thank you very much. This is one of my best supporters. Why am I? Thank you very much. Great supporter. Felix, I'm hoping we can see an inverse head and shoulders on ETH. Seems like we already formed the left shoulder and the head. Yes, it does look like I've just been talking about this here on the stream. Okay, this is a very, very bullish setup here for Ethereum. Okay, we can see the descending wedge. We might even break it now, guys. No time for the right shoulder. We're off to the races. No, only joking. We might be seeing a right shoulder here. Felix is talking about this. This is the 1 hourly chart for Ethereum. We can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder potentially forming. Okay, we might blast off from here, but we are hitting major resistance, so we can look for a correction here, and then maybe, you know, if we do not break below this support level, which is the $2,000, I do think that we'll be breaking 2,400, 450, and then we will be pumping to 2,900, where the next major resistance is. Okay, anyway, if we did manage to do this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, the measured move from this breakout is getting the head all the way to the resistance, and from the breakout, guys, you know, we could expect a $3,000 Ethereum. I would go to the conservative target, which would be 2,850, okay, just below this resistance point, because we will get some type of rejection here. Don't think we'll go to 3,000 or 3,100 straight away. We will be getting some rejection, okay? So this is great to place a long trade once we break this resistance, in my opinion. Okay, guys, no financial advice. We might be doing a long trade here if we manage to do the left shoulder, or maybe from actually breaking this major resistance right now, all depending on the volume. We are just about to hit overbought territory on the 1 hourly chart, so we should have a little bit of a retracement here. But this is a great trade, guys. If you want to take advantage, you know, you can do this on Femex the last day for the bonus, guys. Remember, the link is in the description. Over $2,000 by using my link in the description. 2,200. This looks like a very juicy trade. Luke, going to keep your investment, your inverse head and shoulders in mind. Got to go to work. Thanks for the great TA. Thank you, Luke. You're very, very welcome. Stefan, I just got back home now and see this live. Mentor, always with good vibes. Thank you, Stefan. I hope you're enjoying the stream. Now what we're talking about is this potential inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. We can see the descending wedge also breaking. So it is looking very, very bullish for Ethereum, also for BTC. BTC also potentially forming an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. Let's see what happens here. Looks like that we are going to go a little bit to the downside and maybe up. But yeah, it is looking very nice for Bitcoin. Hitting major resistance at the moment at the $38,500 range. Jane Wood, how are you? Very informative, Andy. Thank you very much. Bart Moonen, you are indeed great and do it very well. Thank you very much, Bart. I want to do it as, very simple and so you can understand. Also for the newcomers, there might be pro traders, or they think they're pro traders in the, subscribed or in the comment section, that use 20 different indicators and say, there's always haters saying you didn't look this, you didn't look that. But we want to keep it simple, guys. The simple the trading is, the better. Dustin, you look exactly like my lifelong friend. Love your analysis, but I see you and constantly want to tackle you and put you in a headlock. Dustin, well, you got to send me a picture of your best mate then. Z-Snake, you tweeted now? I tweeted, yeah, exactly. I tweeted this morning also some technical analysis about this divergence on Ethereum. If you check out the Twitter account, okay? If you check out Twitter, yeah, there is a tweet about this divergence on the RSI. We were just breaking out and we were looking for a bounce. If you check out the Twitter, guys, we also, put in posts of articles and, technical analysis, all sorts. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin Sensor's website, guys. Also, the link is in the description. You got to check that because there's an article, there's technical analysis every single day, guys. Very informative. Make sure to check it out. If you're new here, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, guys. 66 likes, 155 viewers. So make sure to smash up the like button for the algorithm. You'll be helping me out. Let's go through the comments. Jacob, should I buy Ethereum right now? I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think they're going to be worth much more in the near future than what it's worth now. So best strategy, in my opinion, is dollar cost average. Everybody's expecting we are in a bear market. I don't think that institutions and the big players are going to give you that much time to accumulate Ethereum and Bitcoin at these levels. This is my opinion. So dollar cost average is the best strategy. Just put whatever you can afford every single month into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I do believe, because of my research, that this is going to be very, very valuable in the future. So just dollar cost average, simple strategy I've been using in 2018. Yes, it was the bear market. I've been dollar cost averaging in 2019, 2020. Very good time to do that. But I do believe that the bull run is not over, so it is good to dollar cost average. And just don't pay attention to the charts. I have so many friends and different, and family members say, looking at the price every single day. I used to do that when I started trading and when I started investing, checking the portfolio every 10 minutes. No, guys, forget about it. It will go up in time. Right, let's check out Axid. Maybe the up resistance BTC turn into bump and run pattern after breakdown. So maybe the up resistance BTC turn into bump and run pattern after breakdown. Then V recovery. What do you think? Last shakeout. Look, fib levels and VPVR, please. Right, the fib levels and VPVR for Bitcoin, I guess. I'm not sure if you're looking at this as the bump and run pattern. Right over here. This is the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin. I'm not sure if you're referring this as the bump and run pattern. We've got, we got this resistance point and this lower high, creating this trend line. It looks like we were going to break out from it. Then we have massive rejection over here. We have broken out of it. So if this was a bump and run, I'm not sure if you are referring this Axid. I'm not sure if you are referring about this, but if this was a bump and run pattern, measured move would be from this lower part, okay, to the resistance, or potentially from this lower part if we want to be conservative, from here and from the breakout. This takes us to $42,000, which is what I'm expecting if we break 38,500, okay? I'm expecting those levels anyway. Also, if we do create a right shoulder here, and we break this major resistance, guys, well, we know the measured move is getting the head to the resistance from the breakout. $44,000, I would stay conservative and start taking profits at 42,000, 42,500. We are going to get massive rejection, massive resistance right over here, as you can see on the chart, the 42,000, above the 42,000 levels. Major support, major resistance. If we break 38,500, we are going to get some rejection here, guys. So it would be a good point to take some profits. Right, let's go through the next comments. Mo begs music, like your daily feedback. Gracias, Andy. Saludos de la Holanda. Thank you very much, Mo begs. Bitcoin Sensors, are you still bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? I am absolutely incredibly bullish. This is, in my opinion, this has been a massive shakeout, okay? This has been the capitulation before the bull run starts. The massive run starts. This is my opinion, guys. I could be wrong. But there are some indications that this is not over, guys. This has just been pure manipulation and the massive shakeout before the bull run. Before continuing the bull run, really. Before the next huge, massive leg up. Felix, potential rising wedge on Ethereum on the 15-minute chart. Let's see, rising wedge or descending wedge? Oh, okay, maybe on the 15-minute chart. Okay, yes, I get you. Felix saying that we might be having a rising wedge here on Ethereum on the 15-minute chart. I guess you are referring to this. Very possible. Very possible. Yeah. And we are getting tighter and tighter. So yes, this could be a rising wedge on the 15-minute chart, but we are hitting critical resistance. So now for Ethereum, we can see, or we break this resistance point here on Ethereum, or we break this this support here from this higher lows, from this wedge. And if we break down, we need to look if we are going to get, an inverse shoulder head and shoulder scenario, okay? But looking very bullish. There is buying pressure. We are hitting major resistance now. We might see a nice green candle like this. In my opinion, this would be a good tradable, good for trading. I might place a trade if we see a green candle with a decent amount of volume, bounce here, then come back and break the high from the breakout. Target would be just below the $2,900 range. Okay, something to watch here on this live stream. Let's go back to the 1 hourly chart. Good point, Felix. I like it. Emre, hola, how are you doing? Kali, next 1000x coin. Very hard 1000x. I would go with 10x first. I mean, I don't like people that shilling 1000x. You need to, let's get to 10x first. Let's 10x our money first, then 1000x. WTF should I do? I lost so much on Bitcoin. No, I lost $200. If it's money that you do not need in the short term, now is the time to start accumulating to dollar cost average in this huge capitulation phase, okay? Maybe $30,000 was the bottom for Bitcoin, guys. It was maybe the bottom. Everybody thinking we are in a bear market now. Everybody thinking we are going to go lower. We are going to 25K. I've seen this before in the other capitulation phase in 2020 on the coronavirus. It's the end of the world. We got this massive pandemic virus and everything is going to crash. No, the crash happened in 2 days. It was quick, okay? And you needed to accumulate in that week and that's it. We went up from there. So it is the same. A lot of bearish sentiment. Everybody's super fearful. And who knows, we might be doing a double bottom sideways and we off, guys. And then I thought we were entering a bear market and, it could be the same the other way around, okay? I'm very optimistic here. A lot of hopium and and thinking, oh, I really thought this was the bottom, and then we're going to $25,000, and we are actually entering a bear market. Also, guys, I'm 60% more bullish, 40% bearish. Right. Guys, if you are not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe to the channel, okay, guys? If you're new, I do daily technical analysis of Bitcoin and crypto, okay? And you got to take advantage if you are a trader or you're getting into trading, okay? And you have some experience, make sure to take advantage of this incredible bonus, okay? $2,000 on PhimeX, $2,200. If you use my link in the description, guys, take advantage. There's only 1 day left for this amazing bonus, and you'll be helping out the channel. I'll be getting a small commission. And you'll be getting an amazing bonus. Well, it looks like Ethereum is pumping, guys. It looks like we are breaking this resistance. Let's check out the volume. Let me get the RSI out of the way. Not too much volume. 15-minute chart. Yeah, not too much. We are still hitting this resistance from this ascending wedge, so very cautious here. It might be the last leg up before we actually turn around here. This is the moment of truth. If this doesn't work, if we do not pump with a good amount of volume, we'll be turning around, guys. But it looks like, yeah, we are pumping, we are breaking this resistance. Might get very volatile now, guys, so not a good, it is a good time to maybe place a trade. Let's see a little bit more price action on Ethereum. And there, you didn't lose $200, just you're down on your Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin will always be Bitcoin. 0.001 Bitcoin will always be 0.001 Bitcoin. So just huddle tight if you do not need the money in the short term. Raul, what after 100k BTC, bear market or bull market to $200? That is a very good question, Raul. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. This time, you know, lot of uncertainty in the market. We have the Federal Reserve printing trillions and trillions of dollars. Nobody knows, but we will be entering a bear market at some stage. I just don't think it is not now. So yes, maybe if we go to 100, 200k, we'll be coming back down to the 50k levels, you know, in 2022, 2023, potentially mid 2023. Nobody knows. We just have to ride the wave. So MATIC dot possible. Oh, cool. Telegram would be a great idea. Yes, we are potentially going to do a Telegram very shortly. Okay, so then we have a community on Bitcoin sensors. I'll be posting the videos there, some technical analysis. Let's take a look at DOT, because DOT has had a massive crash. Also, DOT US dollar, DOT USDT. Yeah, let's take a look at DOT. DOT it seems that DOT is having a nice recovery. It seems. Let's get this EMA out of the way. Right, I have nothing here in the chart for DOT. Let's go to the Binance. All right, so I've got some support levels and resistance here for DOT. Let's take a look at DOT. Right, let's go to the 4-hourly chart. I guess this is just like everything, okay? We did get massive support here from this huge consolidation phase. So yeah, maybe this was the actual bottom here for DOT, the 15 cents. Sorry, $15. We just need to wait for some price action here. Have we created a descending wedge also potentially here for DOT? We'll check out the RSI because there might be some massive bullish divergence. Maybe from here to this low, potentially, yeah. Also, it does look like a descending wedge right over here, connecting these lower highs. Let's go to the 1-hourly chart. Let me get the RSI. Yeah, could, you know, if you don't want to count the wicks, but clear descending wedge. Okay, from these resistance points, multiple touches on the resistance. Let's take a look here on the RSI for DOT on the 4-hourly chart, and we can see, you know, if there's been massive bullish divergence also. Not on the 4-hourly chart. We do not have bullish divergence. The RSI actually went a little bit lower on the price dip, so no bullish divergence on the 4-hourly chart. Let's check out the 1-hourly chart, and yeah, there is some bullish divergence here also. Yeah, there is bullish divergence here on DOT. So yeah, that's why we're getting this massive bounce. I see DOT potentially, from this breakout, we need to break this major resistance point, which we're hitting now. And yeah, if we break this resistance, which we are struggling at right now, hit major support here for DOT on the 1-hourly chart. We are having bullish divergence. If we break this resistance, yeah, I do see the next resistance point at $27, $27, $28. This very much looks like it is going to do this. So yeah, Polkadot having a massive bounce. This could have been the bottom. The chart is looking bullish. A lot of them move the same. A lot of them move the same, especially the top 20. You know, a lot of them have the same price action. Emre, that was the analysis for DOT in the short term. Sí, Concealer, el mejor análisis técnico, bravo. Thank you very much. Gracias, the Concealer. Gillitsy, thanks for the solid answer. I'll certainly be looking into that book. Thank you, Gillitsy. Yeah, it's the best technical analysis book there is. It has, you know, it's over a few decades old. So, and it has everything. It is the Bible of TA. John Murphy, technical analysis. ADA, yeah, let's take a look at ADA. I just took a look at ADA, and I did mention that, you know, we need to stay above the $1.45, $1.50 for ADA. If we take a look at ADA here on Binance on the chart, it is looking quite bullish. Okay, clear double bottom here for ADA. Clear double bottom, as you can see. And if we zoom out here on the 4-hourly chart, we are staying above this massive resistance that we had for ADA. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Then we broke below it, was massive support. We had this huge capitulation phase where the technical analysis here doesn't do anything. But now, once we've had all the selling and everything in the capitulation, we are looking to stay above here. So as long as we stay above the $1.50, $1.45 for ADA, it is going to be looking bullish. We should be getting supported here, and then we'll be checking out some price action in the next coming days. I will be getting some ADA videos out in the coming days, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new, okay? And smash up the like button. 235 viewers. Smash up the like button for the algorithm, guys. And if you want to help out the channel also, where I'll be getting a small % commission and you'll be getting an amazing bonus, check out Femix. Only 1 day left for this $2,200 bonus, guys. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. All right, Stefan, are you bullish or bearish? I am bullish. John Morris, no, not John Morris, John Murphy. John Murphy for the book, technical analysis book. It is the Bible of technical analysis. This book is great. I read it in 2017 and I learned a lot by reading this book. So we can see the name of the book. Kindly tell us more or show page again. I'm late to the live. All right, Stefan. Are you bearish or bullish? I'm bullish on Bitcoin, Brofish, ETC. Let's take a look at ETC, which is Ethereum Classic. ETC USD. Ethereum Classic. Well. Look what we got here. I will extend this resistance, and guess what? We've done a double bottom here for, yeah, double bottom. All of them are moving very, very similar. Double bottom, guys. Look where we bounced here at this resistance point. Okay, that I did mark here in the past. I did technical analysis on ETC in the past, and we were talking about this scenario, about breaking, you know, this resistance and, you know, retesting all-time high, and then we had a massive pump, not all-time high, sorry, this high over here. So yeah, it's looking very bullish, guys. This has also got bullish divergence. We can see here on the 4-hourly chart. I'm going to zoom in here. Next major resistance point for ETC, we can clearly see it right over here, which is the $77-78. That's going to be major resistance to break. Okay, we've got this support level right over there. Okay, it's been supported nicely a couple of times. $77-78. We broke below it, got massive rejection here, major resistance. So expect that we are going to be hit here and get some type of rejection. Also, what can I see is potentially an Adam and Eve, okay, just by looking at this chart. If we go to the 1-hourly, just let me show you also bullish divergence here. Extremely bullish. That's why we're having this massive bounce. Oh no, sorry. Not bullish divergence, because this low didn't go below this other low. We stayed above this low, okay? So no bullish divergence here. But anyway, it is looking bullish. Let's go to the 1-hourly chart. And what I can see for ETC is potentially a huge Adam and Eve formation. Okay, we can see the massive spike here, which is the Adam, coming back to retest the resistance point. As you can see, major support in the past. And now we are forming the Eve, okay, which is a round kind of accumulation phase. We'll be hitting this major resistance at $78. And then we can see an explosive move if we break $78 here for ETC. This is the potential setup, okay? Guys, if you look at this price action also for ETC, we have a kind of descending triangle right over here, if you can see it. Let me show you also here for Bitcoin in the past. Let's go to BTC, US dollar on Bitstamp. We can see the bear market of 2018. Look at this formation, okay? Just so you can get an idea. Okay, we have this descending kind of triangle formation. All right. We have a massive dip. We have a massive dip here, creating a bottom, and then a nice round bottom here of accumulation, and then we pop to the upside. Look at ATC right over here. Let me just get these resistance so you can get an idea, guys, on what I am looking at here. Okay. As you can see, we had this descending triangle. Okay, after this massive rally, kind of blow off top here. Descending triangle, we broke it. We are creating a double bottom pattern right over here. Tell me if you see any similarities from this move to this move over here. Okay, so what stage are we on now for ETC? Round about here. If you look at this chart, okay, this is the Bitcoin 2018 bear market. So if we have a mini bear market here in the last couple of weeks, you can clearly see, you know, double bottom scenario right over here. ETC is looking extremely bullish in my opinion, looking for a very, very bullish setup. Adam and Eve pattern right over here forming major resistance. We break out from here, guys, we'll be retesting all-time highs for sure. Okay, the measured move from an Adam and Eve is the bottom to the resistance from the breakout. Okay, not as high as the high here, but yeah, over $100, $115 from the breakout. Okay, guys. Yeah, there's ATC, Brofish. Stefan, can you please tell me the name of the analysis book again? Yeah, it's John Murphy. Technical Analysis, it's called. It's called Technical Analysis, John Murphy. Path, what is the future of BZRX? I am not familiar with this project. Sorry, I cannot help you. 12, Sebastian, do you recommend to buy BTC now or wait for a few days? Well, this is the question of everybody. Guys, just dollar cost average, you know. You know, if you had $10,000 or $1,000, just put 30% maybe into Bitcoin, or 40%, you know, because this has been a severe drop. You know, you would put 25%, for example. You have $1,000, put 250, and then if the price drops even lower, then put another 25%. You know, the best strategy is dollar cost average without looking at the price. So say next week, today I'm going to put 25% of the money I got available. Next week on Monday, I'll be putting another 25%, no matter what the price is. If you are a mid-long term investor. If you are a trader, guys, you can, you know, just speculate on some moves that we are looking at, just like we're doing here on the channel. If you want to get advantage of one of the best bonuses available on the trading exchanges, check out PrimeXbt, guys. Last day to claim your $2,000, or depending on what you're going to deposit, if you use my link in the description, up to $2,200, and you'll be helping out the channel. What is the future? BZRX, I'm not familiar with this project. I can look at the charts quickly here for BZRX, US dollar. And yeah, massive correction. Looks like it wants to do a double bottom scenario. Here we can see some nice bullish divergence also. Almost all of the cryptos are doing bullish divergence right at the moment. Price going down, okay. Lower lows, and we can see higher lows here on the RSI. That's why we're getting this nice bounce. So it is looking bullish in the short term, okay? This is looking bullish in the short term. BZRX. Kind of broken out from this descending wedge. They're all very, very looking similar, okay? What time frame? Guide Pro. What time frame should I watch market cycle on? Market cycle. What, do you mean the market cycles for Bitcoin? I guess you know, you can watch out the daily chart or the weekly chart and go to the logarithmic chart, and then you can zoom out and see, you know, I guess this is what you're talking about. Guide Pro. Glitzy, Goldman Sachs just declared Bitcoin as a new asset class. Finally, we are safe. Well, exactly. Bitcoin has been here for over 10 years. A lot of institutions are analyzing it. And yes, guys, Bitcoin is going to be here in the future, and it will go up in price as the demand grows. Okay, this is just clear manipulation. Don't be scared about it. Arifin, should I buy Binance now? I am not too bullish on Binance coin. This is my opinion. I am not a BNB supporter. I'm not too bullish on Binance, but obviously I think it will be here. It is one of the largest exchanges. They use BNBs for fees, so yes, BNB has got a bright future. I'm just not. It's not one of my holding positions. Polygon MATIC. Yes, everybody likes Polygon MATIC. MATIC US dollar. Well, yeah, we've been checking out Polygon. As you can see, is having a massive recovery at the moment. It did have a massive dump. After the dump anyway, went all the way down to 74 cents. Maybe a lot of people using leverage, because this was the crash that we had last couple of days on the 19th of May. And only just yesterday, we went all the way down to 74 cents. Maybe a lot of people using leverage on MATIC because it is a great project. It is a working scaling solution for Ethereum. So definitely a very bright future for MATIC. In my opinion, it could arrive to $10 maybe in this bull cycle. Currently at 156, we are just about to break major resistance here for MATIC. So yeah, looking very bullish. This is looking extremely bullish. Overbought territory here on the 1 hourly chart at the moment. We might see a little bit of rejection and a little pullback. But yeah, guys, look how this support right over here. It's been resistance here also for MATIC US dollar. Looking to pop out here and continue to the upside, guys. just massive capitulation, buying opportunity. You don't want to buy here at all-time highs again, do you? You want to buy down here when everybody's scared, when everybody thinks that this is the start of the bull market. Expect a retest at large at $40,000, $42,000 and then more downside. It's Wyckoff distribution. Yes, Michael. Yes, he is correct. We can expect more downside here for Bitcoin. This is a Wyckoff distribution schematic here for Bitcoin. We've been talking about this for in the past in the channel also. Okay, but guys, I want to show you, I did show you this on my last live stream and on one of my videos. If we come all the way back here in August, we have a very similar situation. Not exactly a distribution schematic, but we had the same situation here. Shoulder head and shoulder pattern. Okay, right over here. And we did create, you know, we got this high, and this another higher high here. And then this lower high, just look like what happened right over here. Whoop, just zoom in here. The same here. If we see this as a, you know, shoulder, head and shoulder, you know, higher highs, then this next lower high, massive dump. Look at this scenario here, guys. I want you to pay attention here. Okay, look at this. And now look at this. Right over here. Now we are, if we see this as a similarity, we are just about round over here. Okay. As you can see, if I just zoom in here. Because we did do the measure move from this shoulder and shoulder pattern, the head, all the way down to the neckline, from the breakout, met the target, and from this scenario also, same thing, inverse, shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, head, down, breakdown, we can see, met the target. You know, if you would have bought here, if you would have got scared here, this was in August of 2020. Let me just get this out of the way. Just imagine, guys, just imagine if you would have freaked out here and wait for lower levels. Look at the massive crash here. We're going to have a bounce retracement and then, you know, we're going to come lower. Well, look what happened after this. Yeah, look what happened after this. Obviously, this was the start of the bull run. But in my opinion, we are halfway the bull run, so we could expect this. We could expect a massive bounce, then a retest, creating a huge double bottom reaccumulation phase, distribution, reaccumulation. We could have a redistribution phase here. Yes, it is possible, but I'm going to stick with the reaccumulation and continue to the upside. Okay, major level to watch is the $30,000. If we break $30,000 to the downside, it is going to be looking very, very messy. Go to the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin, see what's going on. Okay, this is the 1 hourly chart, guys. We might be forming the right shoulder. Let's hope we do not dip below the left shoulder. Not too much anyway. This is the formation that we're looking at for Bitcoin in the next coming hours. Right. BZRX analysis. Yes, I've already. VET. Yes, VET. I am quite bullish on VET in the long term. Let's take a look at VET USD. Guys, if you're new here, make sure to smash up the like button. 214 viewers. Smash up the like button. You'll be helping me out here with the channel. Yeah, VeChain, the same. All of the cryptos are doing a very similar pattern, which is double bottom. It seems there was a lot more volatility here for VeChain. Okay, double bottom scenario. We did bounce here from this massive resistance point, converting it into support. So if we're lucky enough, if the altcoins are going to do well, you know, following Bitcoin, yeah, VeChain is one of the top cryptos, okay, with a working product. We should be bouncing nicely to the upside if Bitcoin does well. Looking at VeChain. Right. What else? VeChain. This is what I got for VeChain. Michael, Simon, it's over. Come on, it's over. I mean, a lot of opinions, guys. Now, a lot of opinions. You might think it's over. I don't think it's over, guys. Dentcoin, Winkcoin. Dentcoin had a massive run. Let's take a look at Dentcoin quickly. Dent US dollar. But yeah, guys, look at this. Be careful. This has had a massive drop from the top all the way down here. 88% drop, guys, on Dentcoin. And it's not recovering that well. This is Dentcoin. I'm not too familiar with Dentcoin with the project, but I did see it when it was having these massive pumps. But yeah, guys, be careful. It's having a slow bounce here. Massive bullish divergence. Yes, don't get me wrong. Looking for a decent bounce here. Descending wedge. A lot of them are doing very similar patterns. Descending wedge, bullish divergence, looking for a massive bounce. Manuel, what do you think about ShopX? Is this not shopping, right? ShopX. I'm not familiar with this project. I guess it's something got to do with shopping, maybe. ShopX. Oh, it's not. It's only got wrapped Ethereum here, but wow, it's falling really big time. So yeah, this chart not looking very good. BTT to the moon. BitTorrent. Yeah, I mean, BitTorrent might be a decent project in the near future. Crying about losing $200. Dude, I'm down 80k last few days. Z Snake, yes. Well, I mean, there's all types of investors here. I'm also down quite significant on my portfolio. And yes, you know, we've got large investors, mid investors, low investors, you know, $200, $1,000 is a lot of money for a lot of people, guys. So yeah, see someone here down 80k on his portfolio. Harris the Great, please check Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin for Harris. Litecoin US dollar. Guys, make sure to smash up the like button. Litecoin looking very good, having a decent bounce. No bullish divergence for Litecoin. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart. Struggling. Okay, this is what I had on my analysis for Litecoin. We can see that we are struggling at this major resistance point. It's been major support. It looked like we were creating this double bottom. We failed on this double bottom on this resistance, as you can see. So Litecoin failed right over here, and now we are retesting this major resistance point right over here. So if we break this resistance for Litecoin, we might have a nice leg up to the $200 range. Okay. We're just hitting this major resistance point right now. If we get rejected, well, you know the deal. We'll be retesting this low here at 130. If we break out, we have a chance to get to $200 easily, just below the 220, which is the next major resistance. $200 would be the back of this major red candle with a decent amount of volume. So yeah, if we break the $170 range, $65-70 range, we could look for a nice pump for Litecoin. BTC to $500 million. Well, maybe not that high, but 500,000 is possible. Ether's pumping. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Yes, guys, but be careful. Not too much volume. This could easily be a fake out, okay? Watch out for the volatility. Every time I want to see a breakout from a resistance or a support level, we are looking at the volume, guys. Looking at the volume, okay? We want a nice spike in volume. We are hitting this resistance of this ascending wedge also, as you can see. So yeah, this is potentially a fake out, guys, and we are going to come down, okay, and potentially create the right shoulder. This is something that we are going to look at in the next coming hours and days, guys, okay? If you want to trade Ethereum, guys, make sure to check out the FEMX bonus, okay, up to 2,200 by using my link in the description or in the comment section in the pinned comment, okay? So there's only 1 day left for this bonus. Sam, is there any opportunities to sell BTC coming up? Well, all depends. I mean, there's going to be a massive rejection here. If we check out, yeah, this chart here. If we break the resistance at 38,500, I'm looking for a massive rejection on the $42,000. As you can see, it's major resistance and support. So this is where we're going to be struggling. 42,500 after 38,500. To the moon, Toby. Emre, BitBoy has do good research about which wallets transfer bis amounts of BTC on exchanges in last week. JP Morgan was one of them. BTC on exchange. So you're saying that he's researched that JP Morgan was sending BTC on exchanges, potentially. Remember that this is a coordinated attack also. The massive sell-off come from institutions and some big players, so they can coordinate a massive sell-off and start accumulating slowly. Okay. Dev, better to do a Discord group than a Telegram. Yes, also Discord might be the solution here. There are plenty of different channels you can make bots and help out, etc. There are too many scammers who make clone Telegrams group and scam. Yes, and scam people. You're right. So yeah, maybe a Discord in the near future. Discord better than Telegram. Long Ethereum. Yes, I wouldn't long just yet. Not just yet. Let's wait for some volume confirmation here on the 15-minute chart. Okay, we want to see a nice candle and then a bounce with some volume and then break the high here. And then, in my opinion, it will be a good moment to place a long position here for Ethereum. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, guys. A lot of haters on Bitcoin Cash, I bet. I am quite bullish on Bitcoin Cash, actually. 2.5 Ethereum. Ethereum is gone. Ethereum 2,516 broke resistance. Yes, be careful, guys, but we have broke resistance with not too much volume. Okay, stay calm. Don't rush into a trade. Wait for some price action. You know, good trader is patient. Let it go. If it has a massive pump and doesn't retrace, just let it go. It will come back down, and then we'll be finding some better entries. We need some decent volume, come back, break the high, decent volume, nice, you know, seeing strength here. No strength at all here, as you can see. Potential fake out to the upside. Sam, anything to buy in the next hour? Well, very difficult to see. Anything is good. Bitcoin and Ethereum is always good to buy, in my opinion. Will be very valuable in the near future. Ethereum, let's go. Yes, Ethereum is looking very juicy here for a breakout. Not too much volume just yet though. Ethereum. Love from India. Thank you, Rao. Mauricio Lopez. Hola, amigo. Do you think it's good to trade the range? If so, what crypto do you think is the best one to trade ranges with? Thanks in advance. I can't give you my opinion on this at the moment. Giacomo, how old are you and how long have you been trading for? I am 30 years old and I've been trading, learning to trade since 2017. Okay, I started trading DAX 30, which is the German stock market, and I started in crypto in 2018. Accumulating and trading crypto. Now I'm full-time on crypto because it is great. I really like crypto. Thanks for .TA, Emre. You're very welcome. Alan, what about MATIC? Looks like it's moving. Yes, we just saw MATIC. Okay, guys, MATIC is looking very, very bullish. MATIC US dollar. MATIC USD. Yeah, guys, MATIC is breaking major resistance now. As you can see, this is MATIC on the 1 hourly chart. You can trade MATIC on Binance Futures, okay? If you haven't logged in, if you haven't got an account on Binance, make sure to use the link in the description because you'll be getting 10% in fees. You'll be getting 10% in fees back, okay? But yeah, MATIC is looking very, very bullish. Major support here, which was broken. We were struggling now, and it looks like MATIC is breaking resistance. Looks like it's breaking resistance here. MATIC is an incredibly bullish project, working solution, scaling solution for the Ethereum network. I downloaded the PDF from this book. Yes, Bart Mooney, very good book. Okay, it is a little bit hard, a little bit complex at the beginning, but is the best. It is the Bible of technical analysis. Ethereum XRP TA, please. Right, let's take a look at XRP. Wow, MATIC is doing insanely well, guys. MATIC is doing insanely well. Let's take a look at XRP USD. And yeah, guys, yes. XRP is looking a little bit bearish, okay, in my opinion. We need to get above the 88 cents, the 90 cents to confirm here. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart because we are hitting major resistance now for XRP, which is just below the 90 cents. As you can see, it's been major support here. We had a wick down, we touched it, the 90 cents. Okay, we touched it again here with this drop, and we actually went below when almost everything was doing a double bottom here. XRP dumped. So when you see Bitcoin, Ethereum creating a double bottom, not going lower from the low of the dump that happened, okay, on the 19th of May, the cryptos that have gone below this level, yeah, guys, they're weaker. XRP has been very, very weak, very weak during this bull market. But now it's fighting to get above this resistance. Once XRP goes above the 90 cents, it is going to be looking quite bullish again. Not even bullish divergence, okay? So the bears are still winning. They still have steam. RSI going down, price going down. But anyway, who knows? We might be breaking 90 cent and then XRP will be looking a little bit bullish in the short term. Just MATIC up 70%. Yes, MATIC is doing great. Lucas, I just got the cash out from credit card gotten from Ericsson and Telegram. Raul, will all the altcoins will remain with BTC or will they crash with time? Well, obviously, you know, by looking at historical data, altcoins always, you know, go lower, usually crash with time. You know, BTC holds some levels, and while Bitcoin accumulates and goes up, a lot of altcoins disappear. If you look at the 2017 bull run, the top 50 coins, a lot of those top 50 in 2017 have disappeared or are just below the 500 top rank. Okay. If you, I mean, I wish I could know where exactly, but there is, you know, there is pictures of CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, you know, looking at the top 50 altcoins, okay, just below Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP. You can see the top 50, and a lot of them are not here anymore. They're not here, so a lot of altcoins will go down. Safest place, in my opinion, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes, Vijay, I've just done some technical analysis on MATIC. Tip for beginners who are having difficulties seeing patterns, use line charts. Daisy, I will be posting some videos on basic technical analysis to help you guys who are new in crypto or in the markets, okay, to do some simple charting. Zane, any thoughts on XLM, please? Let's take a look at XLM, which is the little brother of XRP, if you allow me to say. Yeah, XLM, look at this. It's just hitting this major resistance point right now. I did have this on the chart already. This is the 4-hourly chart. And yes, we did create a kind of double bottom scenario. Now we're hitting this major resistance from the support of this channel. So if we manage to get above this channel, the resistance point, it'll be looking quite bullish in the short term. Struggling to get above the 45 cents where we have this resistance from the support of the channel. Just a quick view on XLM. So do you think that Cardano's getting smart contracts next update is a big deal? Stefan, yes, well, July is going to be the month for Cardano where smart contracts go live. So yeah, this might have a huge price impact. I think everybody's buying, has been buying for that event. It might be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, probably. But yeah, Cardano is looking very nice, but it's still a promise project. Nothing actually working on the Cardano network just yet. Murphy, yes, John Murphy, technical analysis. XRP we've just looked at. Why MATIC is so strong? Well, MATIC is a working scaling solution. Everybody's talking about MATIC now. It's a working scaling solution for Ethereum, so to bring the gas fees and down, and it is working. So it is something that is going to be here for the next years. MATIC helping out the Ethereum network. Kel, it's a layer 2 for Ethereum. Yes, exactly. Once we flip 43k into support, it's off to the races. Dusty, yes. Let's check out BTC once we hit 43k. Yeah, exactly. I mean, my next resistance point is 42,500. If we flip 42,500 into support, yeah, extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Extremely bullish. Guys, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, okay? And smash up the like button. You'll be helping out the channel immensely. Look at Ethereum. Is Ethereum pumping? No, we're getting a little bit of a rejection now, guys. Be careful. Not too much volume. I wouldn't be longing this just yet. Just yet. First candles, I don't usually trade the first candles. A lot of fake outs, a lot of volatility. I'm not trading this. I like to see some volume, bounce, and then, break the high here. Potentially, if we bounce nicely and see a nice green candle with some volume breaking this high, then it'll be looking good. It'll be looking very good for Ethereum. Watch out here, though, guys. Might be a fake out from this resistance point. Be careful. We want to see volume and break the high here. We'll get holiday pay. Let me go through the comments. XRP, it's nice, don't panic to buy Corjib. Daniel Ula, gracias por el análisis. Thank you, Daniel. Abdes Samad, do you have videos on TA analysis? No. I will be getting some videos out on how to detect some different patterns, okay, and how to breakout trade. And I will be bringing some videos, okay, onto the channel of technical analysis. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe, because I will be doing some, basic technical analysis so you can learn how to read the charts. Okay, guys. Christopher, welcome. I've never had any bad experience dealing with this. Oh, this is a scam comment, guys. Be careful with scammers, okay? Never go into a Telegram group that they are, suggesting in the comment section, or send any funds to anyone. I will never ask for funds for you guys, okay? Guys, I've been here over an hour and 30 minutes now. This is going to be it for the live stream. Make sure to smash up the like button, okay? And you got this incredible bonus of Femex that is ending tomorrow. So make sure to take advantage. And if you haven't checked out Bitcoin Center's website, make sure to check it out, guys. We have the week review of Elliott Wave points to scary prediction for Bitcoin. So this is the bearish case scenario. So you can check this out on the website. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description, guys, okay? And thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I will be doing some more live streams, okay? Many live streams to come. Thanks, guys, for the support. Make sure to smash up the like button. And I'll see you in the